Racing our 1965 classic car series at Oulton Park coming up next. Hello once again, slot car fans. Welcome back to another race night in our 1965 classic series. And tonight we are racing right down here at Oulton Park in the United Kingdom. And now if you would like to build this amazing track, don't forget to check it out on our masterclass. The video will be coming up here, video link sometime toward the end. And stay tuned for the end of the video when we will be discussing briefly about our Carrera tow truck giveaway. So now, without further ado, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and let's go down to the races. We have a full race lead tonight with 6 people. So many different. Oh, come on!
Might have.
Oh, hey, I'm right off the
Someone get me. Thank you.
What?
Oh, look at where Howard is.
No, that wasn't me. That was the chief.
In the pits. Nobody noticed it.
No, it's time out.
Who was that?
Me. Trevor. I ended up right on the controller pad.
Oh, can you get me? Damn, I wish I would have been here. There's competition again.
Hey, we need, is that Pete from Ontario? Pete, we need you to come back.
Right, talk.
Oh, I'm sure he'll be watching this,
Oh.
Kevin needs to find where Rosie is.
Got no heads. Like that.
Your car is always wiping out there.
Yeah.
4, 5, 3, 6, 2, 1.
Left
Yeah,
27.
who's number 4? That's you, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, I'm out.
You're in. Varsity dead slow. That's so Welcome to Oulton for half of the year. Still got a minute remaining. Maybe we can one to master. That was good.
I take Cooper.
Oh, great. Oh, you need some help. And Mark is leading.
I'm still leading.
4, 3, 5, 6, 2, 1.
4-3. Who's 3?
That'll be me.
That's you. Okay, I'm not the architect.
You probably lost the lot for that.
So it's Mark, Howard, Kevin, Rosie, Glenn, and myself.
You got Mark to go away, you come back, you win.
Oh, and that's it.
That's it. We're veterans. And I lost and broke the wheel. I can fix what I like.
And wasn't that a great race? And here's our standings. So I've got 28 points, Howard got 58, Kevin got 53, Mark is at 30, Glenn is at 16, and Rosie got 15. So let's see where that puts us on our league point totals. And here's our league standing so far. I am in third place with 161 points. Howard is first with 221. Kevin is in second with 207. Mark is in eighth place with 30. Glenn is fourth with 159. Eric is in seventh with 38 points. Craig is ninth with 14. Rosie is fifth with 60. And Pete is in sixth place with 42 points. And wasn't that a fabulous race night? It's good to see everybody moving around, coming up that scoreboard, and getting up to first place. So now, as I was saying, if you would like to learn how to build this great track, don't forget to check out our masterclass series up here. And we are giving away our great tow truck giveaway. You can hook this thing up to any Carrera car. It's got horns, lights, and everything. And if you would like your chance to win this thing, don't forget to check out how to do it right down here in this video. And next week we'll be at another exciting slot car race, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and pound that notification bell so that every time a new video comes up, you're the first to know about it. So until next time, happy racing!